3, 2, 1. Hello tubers, Rusty here. April 30th, 2014. Today I'm going to conduct an air test on my Tesoro Cibola metal detector. But before I start, I have to give you a little background. I was performing the air test earlier today using the typical hand waving method when my friend Dr. Brown, the well-known scientist and inventor, came by, and he said, "Rusty, what are you doing?" I said, "I'm performing an air test on my metal detector." He said, "Stop. You have no precision. What you need is a target positioning apparatus." I said, "I do?" He said, "Yes." He says, "Give me a couple hours, I'll go build you one. I'll be right back." I said, "Okay." So he came back, and this is what he gave me. A target positioning apparatus. I've got my sensitivity set to 10 on the Cibola, and I've got a 1937P winged Liberty head dime. And the way it works is you move the rod and it should be able to detect the target. I can accurately measure where the target is detected. That was 1 inch, so that would be representative of a surface find. Now I'm at 3 inches. Same target. And now I'll parallel to the coil, perpendicular to the coil, slight chirp, 45 degrees. Now I have a 1956D wheat cent, still at 3 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. $1941S Washington quarter, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1941S Washington quarter. I'm assuming that the P and D mint marks would produce the same results. Back to the 1937P winged Liberty head dime. 5 inches. Parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1956D wheat cent, 5 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1941S Washington quarter, 5 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1937P dime, 6 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1956D wheat cent, 6 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 10K gold ring, man's, 6 inches, 1937P winged Liberty head dime, 7 inches, parallel, still picking it up, 45 degrees, nada. It went to the land of nada. 1956D wheat cent, 7 inches, parallel, still chirping, 45 degrees, still chirping, perpendicular. 1941S Washington quarter, 7 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1964P Kennedy half dollar, 7 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1937P dime, 7 inches. 1937P dime, 8 inches, parallel, slight chirp. 1956D wheat cent, parallel, 8 inches, slight chirp. Washington quarter, 8 inches, parallel, good chirp, 45 degrees, slight chirp, perpendicular. 1964 Kennedy half dollar, 8 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. Okay, time to crank up the sensitivity. Max. $1937P dime, 9 inches, maximum sensitivity, parallel, 45 degrees, parallel, still chirping. 1956D wheat cent, 9 inches, maximum sensitivity. $1941S Washington quarter, 9 inches, maximum sensitivity, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1964 Kennedy half dollar, 9 inches, parallel, 45 degrees, perpendicular. 1937P dime, 10 inches. $1956D wheat cent, 10 inches. Still chirping. 45 degrees, lost it. Parallel, she returns from the land of nada. 1941S Washington quarter, 10 inches. Chirping, 45 degrees. 1964D Kennedy half dollar, 10 inches. Parallel, 45 degrees. Perpendicular. 1964 Kennedy half dollar, 11 inches. Still slight chirps. That's going to conclude this experiment. I'll be conducting some more air tests in the future, and I'll be testing the pinpoint function and also be testing discrimination. So you may want to tune in for those. I wish Dr. Brown would have stayed to help me with this experiment, but he had to run off. When I asked him where he's going, he said he's got to go all of a sudden he got into metal detecting, and he's going to go build a metal detector. He told me to meet him tomorrow and we'll go detecting. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it, had a little fun, and good day.